portable gaming universe is currently locked in a brutal, high-stakes arms race, and the rules of the game have just been completely rewritten. For decades, handheld gaming was defined by massive compromise. If you wanted to play video games on the move, you had to settle for watered-down mobile titles, low-resolution screens, and hardware that looked like a children's toy. When companies finally tried to cram real PC hardware into a portable shell, the results were disastrous. Devices that were as heavy as bricks, ran as hot as a furnace, and ran out of battery in less than 45 minutes. But a massive paradigm shift is happening right now in the palm of your hands. The ASUS ROG Ally 2. This is not just a minor hardware refresh or a standard yearly update. It is a calculated, aggressive declaration of war against the Steam Deck and the entire handheld industry, proving that uncompromised, desktop-class PC gaming can truly live in your backpack without killing your battery life. To truly understand the massive engineering leap that the ROG Ally 2 represents, you have to look at the deep scars left behind by the first generation. When the original ASUS ROG Ally burst onto the scene, it promised absolute revolution. It gave us a stunning high refresh rate screen and a powerful AMD processor that easily outperformed the Steam Deck on paper. But the real-world experience quickly exposed a series of brutal, frustrating bottlenecks. The battery life was an absolute joke, dying in less than an hour when playing demanding AAA games at maximum settings. Windows 11 felt incredibly clunky on a small touchscreen, forcing gamers to constantly wrestle with desktop pop-ups, driver errors, and broken interfaces. And worst of all, a catastrophic thermal flaw caused the internal microSD card reader to literally cook itself under heavy heat loads, destroying expensive storage cards and leaving a massive stain on the brand's reputation. ASUS went back to the drawing board, locked their engineers in a lab, and rebuilt their entire handheld philosophy from scratch. The result is a device that systematically cures every single disease that plagued the first generation. It all begins with the jaw-dropping powerhouse driving the system, the next-generation AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme silicon architecture. This chip is a masterpiece of extreme efficiency and raw, unadulterated graphical muscle. Built on an advanced, hyperdense manufacturing process, the Z2 Extreme shatters the performance per watt boundaries that previously crippled portable gaming windows. In the past, handheld chips had to draw massive amounts of electrical power just to hit high frame rates, which instantly vaporized the battery. The Z2 Extreme changes the game completely. It introduces a highly sophisticated hybrid architecture that splits the processing workload between dedicated high-performance cores and hyper-efficient silicon pathways. When performing basic tasks like browsing the web, downloading games, or navigating the user interface, the device consumes virtually zero power. But the moment you boot up a graphically brutal, cutting-edge open-world title, the chip unlocks an absolute beast of a graphics engine based on advanced RDNA architecture. The real-world metrics are hard to fully comprehend until you see them in action. The ROG Ally 2 delivers a massive performance leap over its predecessor while operating at significantly lower wattages. Games that used to stutter, drop frames,